Finding a good Chinese teacher is not easy. Here are some real reviews from my previous students. Hello everyone, I'm Miss Jiang, a professional Chinese teacher. I have been teaching Chinese to foreigners for many years. My teaching focuses on three main areas: beginner Chinese, travel Chinese, and business Chinese. After years of teaching experience and practical research, I have finally finished this ebook, Practical Spoken Chinese for Beginners, Level 1. My goal is to make learning Chinese easy for new beginners. This ebook is 100% original designed and created by myself. Many of my students have already used this book, and the learning results are amazing. The content is carefully arranged with clear logic. It's highly practical and easy to learn. You will find a QR code in every lesson. Just scan it to hear my voice for all key words and sentences. There are also clear grammar tips in each lesson to support your learning. With this ebook, you can learn Chinese anytime, anywhere, in your daily spare time. Once you finish all the lessons, you will build a solid foundation in Chinese, and you will be able to study by yourself later on. Here are the full table of contents and some real lessons. Lesson 1 to 10. Build your first confident Chinese speaking skills with greetings, numbers, and time. Start your Chinese journey smoothly with simple, clear, and practical daily sentences. Lesson 11 to 20. Communicate confidently in meals, work, and daily schedules with natural expressions. Master time, date, and social phases to make real conversations effortless. Lesson 21 to 30. Talk confidently about your identity, country, and family with natural sentences structures. Learn key grammar rules and sentence patterns to express your idea clearly. Lesson 31 to 40. Describe friends, family, and daily life using an authentic expressions. Express sizes, relationships, and status smoothly and naturally. Lesson 41 to 50. Fully master 有, 没有 to express possession, existence, and daily conditions. Talk about weather, appointment, hotel needs, and use honorifics like a local. Let's look at some real lessons. Here, scan the QR code. You will hear keywords. 好吃, 好吃, very delicious. 还好, 还好, so or just okay. Key sentences. Is a mango delicious? 芒果好吃吗？芒果好吃吗？ Seeing is believing. To learn more about my courses, feel free to watch my real class recordings on this channel. If you purchase the 20 lesson package or higher, you will get a free 1-hour trial class, but only one free trial class for each student. If you would like to learn Chinese with me, please email me at 10073911098@qq.com, or click the link in the description to sign up. I'm sincerely looking forward to meeting you in my class soon. Thank you for watching.